Hello, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the spare wheel on your car. As you can see, we've got a flat tyre on this, but this vehicle is a 7-seater, so it hasn't got the spare wheel where you'd expect it to be. Remove the object from the tyre, and it's definitely a flat one, so it's going to need to be replaced, but the spare wheel is tucked up under here. So the first thing we need to do is find the equipment, and that's hidden under here. On this vehicle I've got to remove the load cover to gain access. So with that removed, we can see all the tools are under here. We've got a wheel brace, a jack, and some jack handles, and in this box the locking wheel nut keys. So this is the locking wheel nut key, and it fits onto this one, like so. So then what we're going to do is just loosen these nuts off before we lift the vehicle into the air. They can be quite tight, and if you've lifted it off the floor, the wheel will rotate when you load up the brace. So I'm just going to remove the jack just for ease of access. Then on this particular vehicle we need to remove this bung. Then we have a special bolt that goes on top, and then we use this arm to lower the spare wheel. So at this point I've got the wheel from underneath the car, and as you can see it's not in great condition where it's been living under there with all of the salt, so it'd be a good opportunity to check it and make sure it's okay. I do service this car frequently, so I do know that this has got air in it, but if you don't service your car yourself and you check your tyre pressures, you may want to drop it down just to refill it full of air. So looking under the car, what you're looking for is this here, which is the jack mounting point. Sometimes there'll be a little arrow on the bodywork to indicate where it should be, but these two indents are a sign that's where you should be jacking on the car. Right, we've got the wheel off the road. There's no real height that you need to achieve, but don't go excessively high, because if you are on a jack and the car was to wobble, you don't want it to be dropping too far, but on the other side of it you need to allow enough room for a fully inflated wheel to go back on. Then we just need to lower the vehicle back down onto the wheel, opposite way that you lifted it. Just remember to put the tools back where you found them.